Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll be talking about where we go with the channel from now. So this is a follow-up to the ending of our general functions playlist. And so before we really talk about what's to come, let's go back to a graphic that we made a year ago. Alright, in this graphic we said mathematics is a staircase, and with each course in most public schools and colleges, we develop skills in each course that we use to the next one. So we start off with fundamentals, such as arithmetic and basic equation solving, and then we have algebra 1 and algebra 2, and then in the same step 2 is geometry, and then we combine algebra 1, algebra 2, and pre-calculus, and then we move up to pre-calculus, and also some ideas from geometry to go to pre-calculus. Alright, and in fact we could really combine algebra 1 and algebra 2 and pre-calc, because into one big playlist instead of separating it into two, because it makes things a lot easier to really cover when you're exploring things, at least in my opinion. And then we have, from pre-calculus we have calculus 1 and 2. Yeah, so differential calculus and integral calculus, and we explore rates of change, and that is rates of change inside of these ideas of algebra 1, algebra 2, pre-calculus, and geometry. Then we combine everything for vector calculus. And technically it's not a step up, but to best fit the graphic, differential equations and linear algebra all goes. Honestly, they would all be in the same step. And these are all the courses that we need to. These are all the general topics that we need to really go in depth into really understanding advanced STEM concepts and really abstract and broad concepts. So, with our general functions playlist, what we pretty much talked about was basic rules that apply to every function that we can. And there's a big list of functions, but the most common ones we study, and we combine all these together eventually in calculus is, so we start off with rational functions. Alright, so rational functions are really common. Conics, so conics we talk about, but they're not as important until vector calculus. Polynomials, exponential and logarithmic functions, inverse trig and regular trigonomic functions, and also polar coordinates, which are also really essential for vector calculus as well. And of course we talk about other skills that are down here. Systems of equations, series and sequences, vectors, and inequalities, of course. And we need all of these to develop into one big branch of calculus. All these skills come together to form calculus. And that's our goal, is we're going to cover all these types of functions, and we're going to really be talking about it. With that being said, guys, that wraps up the video. Leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and follow us on social media, YT_Swiss Army Tutor, where you could give feedback on the channel and also tell me what you guys need to do. See you next time. Bye.